Are you involved in running company internal mentoring programs for leadership development, for talent development, for trainees or graduates, or even maybe for women in leadership? Or are you considering now implementing some of these mentoring programs? Then this is the webinar you should participate in. My name is Kirsten Poulsen. I'm from Denmark. I represent KMP Plus House of Mentoring, and I'm really looking forward to sharing with you some of the examples of how we are designing and implementing mentoring programs in large global corporations. Mentoring programs can have a big impact on employer branding, on retention, on accelerating learning processes, and it definitely can help create a learning culture in the organization. We will look at the context for mentoring, what is happening in the world, the paradigm shift in the society, as well as in understanding of careers. And you will leave this workshop with lots of ideas and inspiration for how you can improve on or design your own mentoring programs. Looking forward to meeting you there.